Hey there, it's Kat, and for today's video, I'm gonna be doing something stupid. And that's the title of this video. It's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I just started shooting because I've been thinking the whole time if this is really a good decision or not. I saw this trend on TikTok, and I have been wanting the curtain bangs for a week already. I saw a lot of people on TikTok that wolf cut really suits them, so confident. But I'm not confident with my own hairstyling skills. I mean, hair cutting skills. Yeah. If you guys are wondering why my setup is like this, it's because I'm in front of my huge mirror. So that ready talaga. Okay, I think it's time. So this is what my hair looks like. I already have this V-cut hair, V-shaped hair. So my best friend for today is definitely my scissors and TikTok tutorial of the wolf cut. So I have here a clip, some hair ties, and my combs, a pointed one, and a brush. Yeah, it's a black pink brush. Sino ba kasi nagpauso ng wolf cut na to? Kasalanan mo to, TikTok. If this doesn't go well, I will sue you, TikTok. Wish me luck. Where is that tutorial? Okay, let's finally do it. So the first thing I saw here is to put your hair like down, like that. I'm gonna start with a very tiny part lang that seriously, my scissors won't cut. Oh my gosh. Yeah, ayan, malapit na. Only a little left. Okay. I finally cut it. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. I saw some like ugly layers, and that is definitely the one that I cut. Wait, why is this short? Oh my. Are you kidding me? Look! What? Why is this short and the other is not? Look! But it's okay, I'm gonna do like a curtain bangs naman, so... What the fuck? Where did it go wrong? I'm gonna watch the TikTok again. Why? I'm gonna do it again. Okay. I'm gonna do like the sides here. Wait, let's see at the back. Well, the back seems okay, but why is the front one weird? I'm just gonna cut like a very tiny part. Bahala na. What is happening? It won't cut. Okay, finally, we're done. And I think it's time to cry again. It's not straight. No, I need to see. Why? Bigat mo, sustain it or no? I'm doing it again. Watch me cut my hair and regret it. Okay, I'm gonna do like the other part, like yung dito na. Paano ba? Yung this one. Right, kasi yung kanina is... I started 4 p.m. and now it's 6 p.m. This took me 2 hours and I'm not even finished yet. Tie it again. Do it on every section of your hair. Ayoko na. I think I'm gonna cut my hair short na lang. Where is my curtain bangs tutorial? I'm gonna play safe lang. My hands bend like this, so I like do it like this too. Is this like the best decision in my life, or is it another decision that I am gonna regret? Let's do it! I think I'm gonna go here first. No, here. I'm gonna try a little higher. I think I'm gonna do well, so Nakabaanong ko. And we're done after it. Oh my god, the reveal! So I just wanted to add this video. This is 2 days after I cut my hair and I styled it again because para akong part of a metal band nung sa after na video, and it doesn't give justice to the hair that I was going for, like the haircut that I was really going for. I know the wolf cut is more on like that edgy look, but I wanted to go for the Korean wolf cut, like the ones that I saw on Pinterest, like this. So I styled it again and do it like that, and this is what it looks like simple lang, like natural curls, like not that very big curls. Hello to my reflection at the back. And if you wanted to see my hair without all this styling, I will put a picture here. I took a photo of it like yesterday at night. So that's what it looks like. And you know, my hair has that naturally buhaghag hair, and that's what wolf cut is. Like, you know, like effortlessly has that volume, ganon yung wolf cut. So I think, you know, my hair could definitely pull that off. Like, that's not a problem anymore. Even if I will not style it, it just looks so natural. So that's it for this video. I hope you like my hair. I know the struggles are worth it. I think so. I don't know. But the only problem is that this is still shorter than this one, but I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to go to the salon and like redo it again because I know that they will give me a different haircut, like not the one that I was going for, like what I said. So I think I'm just gonna put up with this. I don't know, I might just cut it like next week or next week if I hate my hair already. And I also wanted to put like a small bangs lang dito, like, you know, like that Korean like bangs. But after giving it some thought, you know, hindi talaga ako bagay mag-bangs eh. Once in my life, I wanted to try some fun looks. I wanted to know what kind of hairstyle really fits me. So here I am, like experimenting. So I think there will be more of this. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the struggles that I went just to give myself this kind of haircut. And if you are looking for a sign to give yourself a haircut, then this is it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this to your friends, your family, to whoever you want to get themselves these haircuts. So bye!
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends. You only talk to till summer ends.